Okay, today we're going to solve a linear or a system of linear equations, a word problem, and I'm going to show you how to set this up into two equations so we can use substitution or elimination on solving this. So the problem is the admission fee at a small fair is $1.50 for children and $4 for adults. On a certain day, 2,200 people entered the fair and $5,050 is collected. How many children and how many adults attended? So the goal is here we have two equations we want to write. One's going to deal with the amount of money collected. The other one's going to deal with the amount of people that attended. Now since we don't know the amount of people, we know there was adults and we know there were children there and we know that there was 2,200 people there. So if we just add the adults plus the children, we'll get 2,200 people. So now we have to set up our second equation so we can solve for A and C. Now the second one deals with the money. We know for adults it costs $4 per adult, and if we add that dollar amount to the children dollar amount, and we know that if we sold adult tickets and children tickets for these prices, we know that we collected $5,050. So here's our two equations. So now it's just a matter of elimination or substitution. I'm going to do elimination. If you think substitution is easier, then by all means please do that. So I'm going to multiply this top equation by -4. So that would give me -4a minus 4c, and it would equal -3,750. I'm sorry. Go back here. -8,800. Alright, so now I'm going to add equation 1 here and with equation 2, and we'll get rid of some stuff. So -4a plus 4a, that's just 0, so those cancel out. -4c plus 1.5c is 2.5c. And -8,800 plus 5,050, that's going to give us this is -2.5c. This is going to give us -3,750. So now if divide both sides by -2.5, divide this side by -2.5, the amount of children tickets sold is going to be 1,500. So now that we know the amount of children tickets, we can easily figure out how many adult tickets were sold. We know there were 2,200 tickets sold altogether, so if I just subtract this amount here, I'll get the amount of adult tickets. So I have A plus 1,500 equals 2,200. If I minus 1,500, like I said before, so the number of adult tickets is going to equal 700. So we know the adult tickets, we sold 700 of them. And we know the amount of children tickets, we sold 1,500. You could plug these back into one of the original problems to double check all the math. It will work out. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.